So, welcome back to the channel. This is Pedro. This is your boy. So, unsay kalaki bay laki, unsay kasi kasuway langas. Sa wala pa ka subscribe ha, subscribe mo para sa mga bagong video and don't forget to like and share. So, today we will restore my old black Vans. So, ito na po siya. And midsole medyo yellowish na. And then yung canvas ng shoes wala na talaga sa original na color niya, which is black. Yellowish na siya. Yung midsole niya parang marami nang bitak or umihiwalay na sa canvas ng shoes. Then the heel part of the shoes yellowish na talaga, and then it's more yellow than black mga draw. Meron na ding mga tattered part yung heel part niya. So let's clean first the midsole of the shoes. Let's go! Ayos! So meron akong nakita sa Facebook or sa YouTube din how to clean the midsole of the shoe using the baking soda, dishwashing, toothpaste, and then dapat white toothpaste, and then container and a old toothbrush. So what we'll have to do is to put a minimal part of each and mix it up until you get satisfied. Before we apply the mixture, we'll partial clean the midsole. So, mga draw, to clean the midsole, in this case, the midsole is di pa masyadong madumi, so we'll just do dry cleaning. And we'll just use a brush, a soft brush. And then after that, we will wipe the midsole with a damp cloth. Leave it until it's dry, and then brush it again with brush and water at patuyuin. then, oh, it's wow! Ayos! Look at that! The midsole is back in its original color. Pedro's teeth white. Ganon kaputi. After which, mga bro, we will dye the canvas of the shoes, the yellowish part, so that it will turn back into the real color. So to dye the canvas, we will need a hot water, salt, and a dye powder, and a spray bottle. And then, mga bro, spray directly the texture of the dye to the canvas of the shoes until maubos, or you will get satisfied with the color. And then, mga bro, leave it for 30 to 1 hour for the best result. This is the result of our restoration, mga bro. Kulang na lang ng kunting glue sa mga midsole na nakahiwalay sa canvas, and then we're ready to go. And I will show you a foot review of our new restored Black Vans shoe. Alright!